Windows 11 is a pretty bare bones operating system when it comes to actually useful programs. Aside from the large amount of bloatware it comes with, there aren't many tools that genuinely improve your experience. So in this video, I'm going to show you a mix of some amazing free, utility and aesthetic programs that can massively improve your overall experience. So, the first program I would consider a must-have for any computer is WinDStat. This program allows you to view all folders and files throughout your device, sorted by size. If you're trying to free up storage, which is especially important for SSDs, this will make it incredibly easy to view and delete any files eating too much storage up. All you need to do is download it, let it scan your drive, and after a few seconds, you'll have a clear visual of where your storage is going. As you can see here, Program Files is taking up half of my drive, as it's where I keep all my Steam games. Now, another amazing piece of software for your computer is called Signal RGB. This program will find and link every single RGB product you have either inside or outside your computer. This includes any fans, your RAM sticks, any RGB strips, your keyboards, anything like that will be found, synced, and will allow you to play these pretty amazing effects that you can get completely for free. At number 3, we have Everything. Now this is an incredibly simple program. I'm sure many of you have tried using Windows Search to find a folder, file or program before and been taken to your browser instead. Everything is everything Windows Search wishes it was. It allows you to root for your entire computer and will very quickly show anything with the inputs you entered. I can personally tell you what a headache reliever this is, as someone who stores stuff all over the device and can never remember where. Sitting at number 4, we have Windhawk. Now this is a great program that allows you to install mods that alter the appearance of Windows and other programs. You can go through their list of published mods and choose any that interest you. A lot of these mods come with different themes for you to choose from. I personally use the Start menu and Taskbar styler as I've grown bored of the default Windows 11 appearances. Here are just a few of the different themes that come with the Taskbar styling mod. Obviously there are plenty more to choose from, but these three are the ones that caught my eye. And here are a few of the themes for the Start menu restyler. Again, these are just the ones that caught my eye. There are plenty more for you to pick and choose from. Sitting at number 5, we have HW Monitor. This is a really useful bit of software to help you maintain and diagnose most problems you might have with your computer. It lists data from your computer sensors for most, if not all, of your components, including the temperature, voltage, and speeds. I personally used this program recently to realize my CPU cooler was very insufficient for my needs. It was causing my processor to overheat and my computer to shut down. Now, this might not be a need for everyone, but it's definitely something you should know about.